Hindi na matatakot maarawan and also hindi na rin matatakot lumabas ng bahay without umbrella because now, I'm taking Akarui. By taking Akarui consistently in 2 weeks, sobrang nakita ko talaga yung result niya. Sobrang nag-brighten and nag-lighten talaga yung skin ko when I start taking Akarui. Walang glow up ng overnight, babe. Kaya naman sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung gusto niyo talaga makahanap ng effective na gluta capsule, take it consistently. Yes, babe. When I say consistently, dapat everyday and walang palya. Kasi babe, kung magte-take ka niyan at isang inom mo pa lang naghahanap ka na agad ng changes, nako babe, walang ganun. It effectively reduces dark spots, fine lines, and also wrinkles. It also helps to boost your immune system, and also it gives additional hydration on your skin. Always take 1 to 2 capsules every day for better result. So what are you waiting for, babe? Check out the yellow basket and get yours now.